Invideo AI V3 generator. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is this new AI application that is named as Invideo AI video generator, and this application will help you create script, visuals, and voices. All you have to do is give a simple prompt and then select generate a video. Now it will give you so many options of creating several videos and AI cloning, as well as you can also change voice to different languages as well. So this application is easily available in your Play Store and it is free to install. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.